Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete pages from PDF on Android. So the first thing that you need to do is to download an app called PDF Utils, Merge, Split and More. So we will search for it. As you see, here's the app. You need to click on Install. After it finishes installing, click on Open, and now you will have a lot of options. Under the Edit section, click on Reorder, Rotate or Delete. Now you need to open your File Manager to choose the file or PDF that you want to delete some pages from. Navigate to the PDF and choose it. After that, it will generate the preview of the PDF. Now click on the pages that you want to delete, and after that hit on the Delete button. After that, hit on the True button on the down right corner. Now choose where you want to save this PDF file and choose the name of the new PDF file as see right here. After that, hit on Save, and that's it. Now you will have the new PDF without the deleted pages. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.